Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's Nifty pre-market analysis, we'll break down exact support and resistance levels, market structure, and possible intraday scenarios for tomorrow's market. So make sure you watch till the end. This analysis can help you plan your risk-managed intraday trades. Market recap previous day. Let's quickly understand what happened in the previous session. Nifty closed around 25,851. Market showed weakness with selling pressure. Price respected resistance zones and failed to sustain above key levels. Overall sentiment remained negative to range bound. This tells us that institutions are selling on rise, and tomorrow's market will heavily depend on how Nifty reacts at key levels. Key resistance levels. Now let's talk about important resistance zones for tomorrow. R1 25,918 immediate intraday hurdle. R2 25,988 strong supply zone. R3 26,046 trend deciding resistance. R4 26,104. R5 26,162. R6 26,220 extreme resistance. As long as Nifty stays below 25,918, upside will remain limited. Only a strong 15-minute close above R2 can bring bullish momentum. Important support levels. Let's look at the downside supports. S1 25,765 immediate support. S2 25,707 intraday demand zone. S3 25,649 strong support. S4 25,591. S5 25,533. S6 25,475 breakdown level. If 25,765 breaks, expect fast selling pressure. Below 25,649, market can turn clearly bearish. Range or zone analysis. Tomorrow's probable range looks like: upper range 25,920, 26,000. Lower range 25,650, 25,750. The yellow-blue zone near 25,850 is a decision zone. Price acceptance above this zone equals mild recovery. Rejection from this zone equals continuation of weakness. Intraday scenarios. Bullish scenario. Nifty holds above 25,850. Breaks and sustains above 25,918. Targets 25,988, 26,046. Suitable for call buying only above confirmation. Bearish scenario. Price fails near 25,900. Breaks 25,765. Targets 25,707, 25,649. Suitable for put buying on pullback. No trade in between levels, wait for confirmation. Final view or risk management. To summarize: market bias, range bound to negative. Sell on rise near resistance. Buy only after clear breakout. Avoid over trading. Follow strict stop loss. If you found this analysis helpful, like, share and subscribe for daily Nifty levels and analysis.